चिल्ड्रन्स डे निमतान साश्टीच्या आंबेली आणि कुठ्ठाळेच्या पंचायतीन शाळेतल्या भुरग्यां खातीर खाशेल्यो ग्रामसभा घेतल्यो। या निमतान दोनूय पंचायतीच्या सरपंचान भुरग्यांकडेन उलोवन तांकां मार्गदर्शन केलें। अशे तरेच्यो ग्रामसभा वर्सान वर्स घडोवन हाडपाक जाय अशेंय ताणें म्हटलें। पळयात पुराय बातमी। मंगळारा साश्टी आंबेली वाठारांत भुरग्यां खातीर खासा बाल ग्रामसभा घडोवन हाडली। या निमतान भुरग्यांनी उदकाची समस्या, शिक्षण आणि हेर साबार महत्वाच्या विशयांचेर चर्चा केली। विद्यार्थ्यांनी सांगिल्ले सगळे मुद्दे सचिवान ग्रामसभेत नोंद करचे अशे बीडीओन धाडिल्ल्या प्रतिनिधीन सांगले। तशेंच दर एका पंचायत वाठारात अशे तरेचे उपक्रम चालीक लावपाक जाय अशेंय ताणें मुखार सांगले।
The wells in each ward must be cleaned and well maintained so that if there is no water supply, the well water can be used.
Every year, ही ग्रामसभा आसपाक जाय, बाल ग्रामसभा। कित्याक भुरग्यांक कळपाक जाय ही ग्रामसभा कितें जाता, कित्याक भुरगीं येयनाय, सगळीं पेरेंट्स दुसरीं येताय, व्हडलीं येताय, सिनियर सिटीजन येताय, आपणाक डिफिकल्टी सांगताय, भुरगीं हें कोल्यान तें कोल्यान। पूण बाल ग्रामसभा म्हणजे भुरग्यांक डिफिकल्टी आहा ती सांगपाक जाय, लायक स्कूल बसीस, तांचे आनी कितें प्रॉब्लेम्स आहाय, स्कूल प्रॉब्लेम्स आहाय, तें सांगिल्लो पोर्शन टायमाचेर गावना जायना। आमी जाणाय फाल्यां एग्जाम म्हणल्यार आयज पोर्शन गावना जाता। पोर्शन शूड कंप्लीट 15 days or 10 days. भुरग्यांकूय वर्क मेळपाक जाय, तांकां लिसोन करपाक।
Actually, the Bal Gram Sabha is a very good concept. पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार many difficulties are faced by the children, but sometimes it is not coming to light or they are not able to express to the concerned authorities. But when they come to the Gram Sabha, at that time they can tell their grievances. And I also would like to request secretary to note down all the points, and they can put that particular point in GPDB so that that particular points can be implemented.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the esteemed members of our Panchayat for gathering here today. Your presence is a testament to our shared commitment to the progress and well-being of our village.
In important decisions, the members of the Sabha should ensure that the decision would not affect the people of our village, and also the people should accept the ideas and suggestions made by the senior Gram Sabha. Do you agree?
Yes, we agree. Bikes, two-wheelers, house maintenance, new house constructions, mobiles for school and college students, bus fare cut for children, senior citizens.
मंगळारा चिल्ड्रन डे दिसा निमतान कुठ्ठाळे पंचायतीन भुरग्यां खातीर खासा बाल ग्रामसभा घडोवन हाडली। या निमतान भुरग्यांक आपले प्रस्न मांडपाक पंचायतीन एक माची मेळोवन दिली। सरपंचान बरो आणि वायट स्पर्श कसो वळखप हाजेर चर्चा करत तांचे कडेन संवाद साधलो। तशेंच गरजे वेळार हेल्पलायनीची मजत कशी घेवची हाजी माहिती दिली।
I guess in my career duration, this is my first Gram Sabha that we have held, and we have got a really good response towards it from the villagers of Kortalim. Our Sarpanch, she has also given a talk on good touch and bad touch, which I feel actually it is much needed in today's time, not only for girls, because even for girls and as well as for females also. So we had some, females and male participants also. So they are also aware of certain things. So I feel such initiative should be conducted and such awareness talks should be conducted for the betterment of the society and for children.
For instance, Kushal guys for this because our panchayat is celebrating Children's Day. And आयज आमी भुरग्यांक on the mark of Children's Day drawing competition केलोलें in different categories of standard. There was a good response of participation for the first time.
Okay, first of all I want to thank the Panchayat for doing this. It was a good opportunity for these children to show up their talents. We are really thankful.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, समृता खणगांवकर आणि सानिका नागवेकर।